welcome back to the Standard American YouTube channel. Today this is Operation Revive Ruby episode 2. So this is where we're at. Got the old radiator out. Got the new one in. Got the new one. Look how thick that bad girl is with 2 C's. We got the shroud on. Got the tranny cooler fittings. Got them on there. Got the shroud. And check this out. I scored these from my man Clinton for free. So I'm passing them on. Passing them on to old Jeff here. Check those out. Oh snap. That's right. Yep, my buddy Clinton gave them to me. He got them for free. He gave them to me for free, so I'm giving them away for free. And so those 2 springs are gonna go on the back. It's gonna freaking lift that bad boy maybe up to here. We might have to bring that down a little bit to compensate for the front after I put the lift on the front. But so this is what we got going on today. These, as you saw earlier, maybe, I don't know if you can see that. You see where those wires are all frayed? That's like that on every single injector plug, and they were shorting each other out. That's why this thing was running like crap. And this plug just came right off. I mean, jeez, what the heck? See all those exposed wires? See, that harness plug only goes up to here. So they were shorting each other out, either making each other miss their pulses, or they were making them stay on or miss the injector pulse completely. So that's not good. So what we're gonna do, I got brand new Denzos, of course, injector harness plugs with brand new wires, and those are gonna get soldered in. And all this whole rat's nest, normally there's a rat's nest of coolant lines here. It goes into the firewall, to the actual heater, goes to the back manifold, goes to the rear heater, all that good stuff. Well, we went and got everything, and I'm sure I'm missing some, but we'll cross that road when we get there. So far it's, sorry about the sun, it's brand new water pump, timing belt kit, idler pulleys, tensioners, brand new. Did a compression test. Compression test both sides, both banks are good. He's getting all new spark plugs, new injectors, harness is getting repaired. He's getting his new radiator, upper and lower radiator hose. His tranny cooler hoses, trans cooler hoses, are getting replaced with the new radiator. He's got a brand new thermostat, a Denso, by the way, because we like to use all OEM parts, none of that cheap crap. Yeah, so that's about it. That's about what we're getting done today. All right, let's hop to it. Well, I think that's it for today. We'll go in and help the wife with some of her things she wants to do. So here she is, Got the nice dual core radiator in. Actually, I think this is triple. It's the same one I run and it's never let me down. Got the injector harness all patched up, all doctored up with those OEM harness plugs. Got the new belts, new hoses, new thermostat, all that put on. I have yet to tighten them, but I'll do that next time. But yeah, thanks for watching. If you like what you see, if you want to see more, subscribe to the channel where we do everything that is the standard American way, where we work hard and we play even harder. Have a good week, and don't forget to get your hands dirty.